What's up guys, Express here, back with another video. Now this video is your top design of the year. So basically I asked you guys to put your best work of 2022 in the Discord chat. So basically you guys posted a lot of your best work. I'm just gonna go over them, tell me what I like about them, what I don't like about them, what I would change, what I would not change. Let's go just straight into it. And of course the first one we have here, Marius Edits. And he has created a nice poster in my opinion. I kind of want to dabble in this kind of sort of posters. I see it quite a lot on Twitter. It's like a total new kind of design wave that's coming up with these posters and that kind of style. Maybe the left text with the QR code, I wouldn't have done that. Maybe a different font. Quite like it, I quite love it. So yeah, okay, up to the next one we have Ico with his amazing Batman header. Not gonna lie, I saw this and I was like, damn, this looks cool. I'm a big fan of the latest Batman movie. But yeah, this header is amazing. What would I change? Nothing really. It's amazing. It's cool. It's something else. I haven't seen this sort of style a lot. And yeah, I love it. Up to the next one, we have Utopia with his One Piece banner. His style is also always amazing in my opinion. I love his 3D text. And this one is, in my opinion, great. Is it his best work of this year? No, I've seen a lot of other ones that I really like. But I guess if you're a big fan of One Piece, and this is of course the best header that he made. The main render in my opinion could have been a bit better quality. Some of the edges don't seem to be perfect quality or something like that, but otherwise the text is amazing. The color combination of the blue and yellow and the white, magnifique. So I understand why you picked that for your best design of 2022. Up to the next one we have Love with his Hunter x Hunter banner. What he made of it and what it is I mean it's nice, it's lovely, it's cool. The text is amazing. All the renders and like the texture on top of it and like behind the manga panel kind of theme, it's cool. I love it. I understand why he picked it, and yeah, love the work. Up to the next one we have Zinnemus with his header Spy X Family. Yes, that's it. Not gonna lie, it's simple, but it's cool. The main render, it gets your attention, it's good enough. The text, something special. Then the little text here and there, it fills in the background, and I get it. And like the blurred part, it's cool. I love it. And then on the left you have your socials, which I wouldn't do that, but probably the client asked to put his socials on it, and you had to put it on top of it. But if you would remove that, the socials, I think this banner would be a lot better. Up to the next one we have the Zona with his ReZero header of Emilia. Again with that sort of paper texture on top of it, which is it's quite nice. I love the main render on the left, but the background I'm not the biggest fan of. The text simple but effective, it fits the style. And then the random Emilia text, I don't know if I would have done that, but it's a great overall header. The colors fit together with the theme. Up to the next one we have XYR and with his Chainsaw Man header. It's a simple but it's clean, you know. Chains of course in the back makes perfect sense, and then the main render, and then power in the back as well. The colors of course black and red, you can never go wrong with black and red. I'm a big fan of that color combination, and he did that. And then of course the text is on a sideways. I don't know if that I'm the biggest fan of it. You could easily turn that around and put it on the right side, but otherwise it's a clean looking header. Up to the next one we have Kiro with his, not gonna lie, I love this banner. This is kind of cool. I like that kind of style, like with the guns, the phone, the flowers, the random PNGs in the back. It's cool. The background itself is like grunge texture as well. It's an overall really cool banner. Then we have K with his 2B header, and not gonna lie, I like this. This is cool. This is cool. I love the colors. The color combination is perfect. The orange, the red. I love the renders. I love the positioning. I love the background. I love the texture as well. The only thing that I wouldn't have done is on the right corner you have his ad from his Twitter. The text and the rectangle behind it, I'm not the biggest fan of that. I would have removed that, but otherwise than that, this is clean, love it, understandable. And then we have Seraph with his social media header, and it's simple, it's clean. The color combination of, again, the yellow and the black, cool. Could have done something more with the background itself, but I understand why he didn't. You want the main focus, the logo, of course, and he put a lot of time in the logo. The logo is really cool. But I would say, and the text, like the Behance text and delete 7K designed for synergy, that text as well is like nicely placed. It's a simple font, doesn't take too much of your attention, and I like that. That's a nice detail for it. And yeah, then we have Ultralize with his header for Bones. The middle part is simple and clean. The only thing that I wouldn't have done is like the right text, the Behance text, different font, something that fits more this kind of style and doesn't take your attention. It takes my attention off and everything, and then the right side is black and the left side is black, and then boom, you have red text on a black background. Doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. And then again, like the whole overall header doesn't look that crisp in my opinion. The quality isn't there yet. You know what I mean? With the random letters in the back, there's like a grain on top of them, and yeah, it just doesn't look crisp enough in my opinion. But otherwise, really clean, really simple. We have Over with this nice Akira header. This is cool. This is again that sort of manga kind of style with that texture on top of it. This is really cool. I love the manga panel in the back right as well. I love the grain texture on top of it. Here it fits because the overall header, it has that kind of texture, that kind of feeling, that kind of graininess, and yeah, here it fits the overall theme. The colors combination, perfect. I understand why I put it in here. Then we have Xan with his header. I love this. The text is amazing. The Behance text, font maybe not that much. And Japanese text fits with the overall main text. And then of course what he did with the renders or like the PNGs in the back. It has again that paper feeling. The background, like that grunge. Like it looks cool. It looks amazing. Would I change anything? No. So yeah. Up to the next one, KX Star with his Bones header from Mob Psycho. The text is cool and everything, but you put too much of that glitch effect on top of it, which I do not. I like the glitch effect, but too much is too much, if you understand me. Like you could have put that glitch effect on the outside renders, so the non-detailed one, and then on the main one you didn't put that much on top of it, so he feels like he's more in the front and the rest is in the back. That kind of sort of feeling. Also, the renders, in my opinion, feel kind of out of place. They feel put like randomly inside the header and not really nicely combined in each other. Otherwise, the text is great. I love the main Mob Psycho and then the little dimple on top of the bone text. It's cool. And then we have up to the next one. We have Kitsu with this really nice header. This is clean. I love this. The text is clean. It has like that concrete cement kind of look to it. That's cool. And then the overall texture as well is like a paper texture, which I really like. And then the overall color combination of the yellow, the blue, and black, that fits together. It looks cool. It looks, yeah, a great job. I understand why I put it in the top 2022. Then we have The Real Danny Creates with his Abi Aiku header. I have no idea who that is, but the header looks fine. It looks fine in my opinion. I would have done some parts differently. Yeah, I don't know if you had to use a Photoshop kind of themed background for this, because if I can see who this is, this like more like a social media kind of person, and maybe you could have made like a social media kind of background, maybe a Twitter one or an Instagram one. A lot of people do that as well. You could also kept the Windows bar and everything, but then the main background is like Twitter or anything like that. And then yeah, the two phones, I wouldn't have done that as well. Maybe just one phone, and then the random Instagram post. I don't know. Some parts feel out of place in my opinion. The middle part, the text and the PNG that he used of her, love it. It's cool and everything, but in my opinion, it doesn't really fit the social media kind of theme. More fits like Photoshop designer kind of theme. Up to the next one, we have Fishy with his Scooby-Doo header. This is clean. This is like a nice, vibrant Scooby-Doo header. The text is amazing, probably with Cinema 4D, but the text is amazing. The colors is like from the Scoop movie. And then the background with like the paper kind of ripped effect, they also look amazing. And then the overall color correction is a bit vibrant, but it works with this kind of style. And then the random flowers as well, and yeah, it works, it's cool. Komi with his really nice clean looking header. This is clean, this is simple as well, but this is clean. He has like a main picture on the left that blends into the right, and the right hand side is a bit more blurred, so the main focus is the main render and the text. The text is simple, but it's cool. It has like a cool, it has a nice look to it. I like this is cool. Green textures as well. We have then CRMSN, where it is a wave kind of header. This is cool. This is like a realistic kind of manipulation style. The color correction I'm not the biggest fan of, but I get where you're coming from. And then in the back, you know, it needs to be a bit blurred, but otherwise it's a cool idea. In my opinion, the shadows could be a bit more realistic. Could have put a bit more time in lightning and shadows. Like the tentacle doesn't have any shadows from the text, which I think is a bummer. Could have added some clipping mask on the tentacle, brushed in some shadow, and it would have looked a bit better in my opinion. It's getting there, but I would have put a bit more time in lightning and shadows. Then the next one we have Bones. I kind of like this. This is an Attack on Titan header with the main render in the middle, and then in the background we have, of course, Eren looking at the other direction. Then the background itself is really nice blended in together. Only thing that I wouldn't have done is the right hand side text. The font I don't like. Dazai with his bleach header, bleach header, clean. The text is not that readable in my opinion, but that's maybe the font that he had chosen. But the background is really cool. I love like the orange glow and everything. It fits the overall character and theme, of course. The orange and the black really fit together. Overall clean looking header. Then we have Joy with, of course, the express header. God Lord, this is I already said my opinion on this in one of my videos. This is amazing. I'm still using this on my Twitter header. I love it. It's clean. I don't have anything else to say. Best header you made. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but I want to do something monthly again. The community love those videos, but they, in my opinion, they are a bit repetitive. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, and if you want to do more, I don't know. See you guys in the next one. Peace.